Okay, hi then, folks. Rather different unboxing today. Um, Bit of background. Basically, as some of you know, I've been doing quite a lot of commissions for some of the magazines lately, which I'm ridiculously proud of, and still can't quite believe that people actually want to see what I do. And basically, normally at the Telford Show, the magazines have quite big boxes full of aftermarket bits and bobs and other randomness for the contributors to just go through and pick out what they want, and they can take it. However, of course, obviously last year we didn't get a Telford Show, so they have a bit of an overspill of randomness. So they decided the best way and the fairest way was to just randomly box up a load of bits and pieces and just send them out to the contributors. It means effectively this is a box from the magazine and it's a mystery box. I've got absolutely no idea what's in it. None whatsoever. It could be all really useful to me. It could all be completely useless to me. Either way, I'm very, very lucky because they've sent me loads of goodies. So I haven't opened it yet, and I'm really quite excited to find out what's going to be in it. So yeah, super stoked. Can't. It's weird. I'm actually more stoked about this than I am about an actual kit that I actually know what I'm getting, because I really don't know. I'm like, what have they done? Have they looked at like stuff I do and gone, yeah, he wants that? Or have they just literally thrown in all sorts? I mean, it could be, I don't know, tank decals for all I know. We'll find out. All I know is I'm absolutely stoked. They think I'm even worth it. Well, we got some quick boost. Right, okay, what we got? Oh my god, it's packed. Dear Lord. Okay, right. Can we see that? Where are we? On the camera. There we go. Okay, so we're pretty much square to there. So we have a very nice MG14 Parabellum World War One machine gun. Looks like two of them. Little set, 132nd. Very, very nice. Edad Brazen. We have some quick boost here. What have we got? We have a 132nd Spitfire Mark 8 exhausts, which by the way look beautiful. Some Aries stuff. We've got Flightline Universal Box. That's cool. Okay, some 132nd boxes by the likes you'd see lying around with some decals as well, which is pretty cool. What have we got here? 148th. Yay! We have a BOU 57A rack. So we've got some bomb racks. They're nice. They'll probably be very useful for me. More quick boost. We've got some 132nd Mark 8 fishtail style exhausts. They're really stunning. They're really, really nice. Like them. Some 172nd wheels for a C130 for the Zvezda kit. We've got some Brazin. What have we got here? Oh! We've got the P51 gun base for the Edad kit. Now, some of you will know I have started one of them. Nearly finished Shell for Doom, so it's too late for that. But I have got another two of them, so that's going to be very handy. Looks like I'm going to have to use those now. We have some 148th British rockets, 60 pounders, SAP. They've got them quite. That one's got them quite bent, but should be able to glue that back. That's really cool. Oh, something cool here. What we got? What on earth am I looking at? Was that a starter? No. Okay, I know what that is. 132nd German gun camera. That's pretty cool. Nice little unusual thing. Something here else from CMK. We've got some Hedgehog exhausts for 148th Beaufighter. Dear God, what else is there? We have some 132nd Messerschmitt exhausts. We've got some more Edad. We've got some 132nd seat belts. What the hell is that? PT13 Cadet. 132nd for the Rodin kit. Not sure. I'd have to have a look at that. We have some masks. 148th masks for the Il-2 Zvezda. Trying to keep these in some sort of scale order. We've got 1/48 masks for the Kinetic TF104G. Masks for the 1/48 JU88 ICM. Dear God, it's still going. We've got some 1/48 seat belts for the Blenheim Mark 1F. Kind of got one of those on the long-term thinking. 1/48 seat belts for the IL-2. See, that might end up being a thing I do now, since I've got quite a few bits for that. What we've got a French pilot in 1/32. Kind of tempted to have a look at him. What does he look like? 70s to 90s. Oh, he looked quite nice. Don't know how much that you can see on camera there. Looks quite sharp. You can capture the face there. We've got two different helmets with open and closed visor. He's quite cool. I like him. I'm not planning on doing any 1/32 French jets, but maybe in future. Who knows? More for Beaufighter. This is the TFX 1/48. We've got what looks like the etched set. We have 1/48 Super Sea Sprite interior set. That's a fancy set. And we have more for the P51. We have an exterior set in 1/48 for the Airfix kit. I imagine that can probably be adapted for the Edo kit as well. And we don't know, there's one more. We have some 1/48 seat belts for a OA2. So super duper. So we've got a lot of stuff in there that's going to be useful to me. A lot of stuff perhaps not. A lot of stuff maybe in the future I might find myself looking at and going, ooh, yes please. I will be honest, I will kind of open up the floor if anyone has a particular need for any of these items. Please just let me know, and if I don't need them, then I'm sure we can talk something. But yeah, super excited. I say there's a lot of stuff here that's going to be quite useful. A lot of stuff maybe for the future, and I'm ridiculously lucky, and I have to say thank you very much to the magazine for sending me a load of bits and bobs. So again, thank you to them, and I will see the rest of you guys hopefully for another unboxing shortly. I've got a couple of things to one side that I think I quite want to open up and have a look at, so I'll see you guys shortly. As always, like, subscribe, tell people, and we'll see you soon. Take care.